What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I'm back with another video. Today we have a Provident Metals unboxing. It's Sunday morning. I have breakfast on the stove. Actually, I'm cooking bacon right now. Eggs will be next, of course. But yeah, so I have to get this done. I have to get this stuff out. I have silver lopes that I have to fill up for the stream this week, and I just wanted to share this with you. Of course, that's some stuff that I actually needed for myself. I guess I probably should have got that out before I started the video. So let me get these out of here real quick. As always, it's packaged very nicely, secure. Always happy with Provident. So let me be right back. Alright, so this is what I picked up from Provident on this purchase. It was a small purchase. I had to get the last Dragon round. And now let's talk about this just real quick. I know people have touched on this several times. And this is not a original review. But the Egyptian snake, Cobra, kind of looks like a snake. They kind of fell off at the end. You have to have it as part of the series of the World of Dragons from Provident. And so I had to have it. The designs are pretty cool, but I just feel like, you know, it kind of came off of the dragon look. The dragon's not there. But awesome series in the end. You have to have all 12, all 6 silver and all 6 copper as well. I'm happy with the purchase, so I'm not saying I'm not happy with the purchase, but I feel like they kind of got off of the dragons and kind of went towards snakes. I don't know. Anyway, the Egyptian, it's a cool design, like I said. I can't say that enough, but it just kind of went off the dragon. How many times have I said this? 4 or 5 times in the last minute. Anyway, so that's what I picked up. I picked up 5 of those. Of course, I had to get the copper as well. The unfortunate part about this order is they did not have the 39mm airtights. So I still have to get at least 4 more because I have to fill my box up. Of course, you got to be able to fill this box up. It'll go in there. There's my silvers. The copper is on the bottom. So we have to get 39mm airtights to put into the box. And then also what I had picked up was 2 of these Golden State Mint Buffalo rounds right here. Check that out. Them are really nice. Those are really nice, but those will be going in silver lopes as well. These Indians over here will be going in silver lopes. I ended up getting an extra copper round. I always end up doing that. But so that's the pickup. I appreciate everybody for watching. Until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And until next time, good luck. Alright, so if you are still watching, I'm going to put this in at the end of the video. I have another Provident Metals unboxing. I haven't posted the other video, so I'm going to put this together. This is the other purchase that I made, and we're going to go over this real quick. We have a retro Silvertown bar right here. We have a flag Silvertown bar. If you do any type of engraving or anything, that is the perfect spot to engrave something right there. Almost like it's inviting you to put something right there, a date or some names or something. So that's a pretty cool bar. If I could do it, I would do it for sure. We have a Republic of Chad, the African lion right there. This is a 2017, and I mean, it looks like it was just minted yesterday. Very nice condition. Really happy about that. We have the Moulin Lab. Of course, that's not exactly how you say it, but the designs on these intaglio mint rounds are just phenomenal. They do have the 1 ounce and the 2 ounce. I have all the 2 ounces so far. I have a few of the 1 ounces. I might keep this one for myself, but then again, I do not know for sure. We'll have to see if they go into a silver lope. And then down here, we have a 1/4 ounce Incused Indian from Golden State Mint. We have a 1/4 ounce Buffalo. I guess this is a proof from Golden State Mint. Very nice design. It's classic. And then we have the 1/2 ounce Australian, and I'll have to read it because I'm sure to mess that up. Battle of the Coral Sea. So very cool. It's got a battleship on the back. War in the Pacific, 1941 through 1945. Very cool design right there. I picked up 2 of those, and they are 1/2 ounces. So those will be going into the silver lopes as well. I just wanted to share that with you. And so now, good luck to you in all of your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below, and tell me what you think.